How many people student? 29. They've been given lesson.
It was withdrawn for some reasons, but we have plans for them to be relocated to another place in London.
There was a grant. Mau di jalan bos, kenapa datang Lampung? Apa itu? Oke, kita bilang lem, kita tahu. Kalau tu macam tu macam, pasti berapa? Dari mana mula? Apa sih yang mula? Kontak tu dia bangun nama Isa. Tentang bagaimana mula? Kita kalau ni dah kalau suruh, saya belum masak tu cukup itu. Mata ni kuah? Mata lalu? Ada waktu mata kamu? Kalau pulang tu kami dah. Narasan, macam sana ni tu. No, I came first and I saw the hospital. It reminded me that we were kids in the hospital. And I wanted to figure out what. Ini belum mana? Nah, kita lulu sebentar lah kok. Dek. Benar boleh. Ya. Bola. X-ray, berapa nak?
X-ray sangat besar. That too has been recorded. Kotanya tu.
What do you mean when it plays? Through maybe no, through me that.
Through sangat mikir.
Some guy from me. Sini flood. Through my no.
No, it's not flooded. It's just hitting the wall from outside, draining down and in. So the last few days we had to put that's the main issue of infrastructure. Otherwise everything.
Dah pernah report again.
But in Fiji now, I think Sunday is a little month. So she's asked for that. That, just a cooking area.
So you know that
12-hour shift. We had to go into 12-hour shift. It means we had to feed and drop our messes, so we had to cook here for standby staffs. Now I get some surface water right on top, right down. So there's about some money for drainage, bit of money for fencing, ventilation.
This is better. Eh? Bola. Bola. Hello. Oh, nice dress you have. Christmas dress. Huh? This Christmas dress. Bola.